So I've got the Cadillac all back together. It's looking pretty good for what's left of it. It is missing a lot of stuff, but it'll be good as a racer. So I haven't glued the spoiler in. I don't want it to get broken off again, so that can just pop in and out. So when I race it, I won't have the spoiler. So it has brand new rear tyres. Well, they're not the same tyres as on the front. That doesn't matter though. Different brands. P0 on the front. Michelin on the rear. Oh well. So the tyres must be the wrong. They're not for this actual car. But that doesn't matter. They fit the wheels. So they'll work. Brand new chassis. So it should go alright. It is missing a fair few things, like there's scoops here missing, there's a rear view mirror there missing, there's like a rollover bar, not a bar, but it's missing the headlight, lenses, and the grille, I'd say. But it'll make a good track car. Hopefully we get to test it out soon.